Alright. We're doing a video that is not cooking. We're doing a video on seeds. Yeah, I honestly, I feel so behind. It's March and I haven't even started the things that I want to start. I haven't even ordered the things that I want to start. So I'm gonna actually probably do that after this. But I thought I would show you all the new things that I plan on attempting to grow in my garden this year. And I will never, ever, ever grow a loofah again because it took over last year and it kind of just like wrecked everything. So I'm not doing loofahs again. Anyway, for the last couple years, if you've been around that long, you know that this is where I order pretty much all of my seeds from. It's Baker Creek, and they are local to me because I live in Missouri, but you can order them if you live all across the country. You can order them, and it's always free shipping, and they send you free seeds. So that's a perk. So I thought I would just show everyone and what I plan on growing this year. Also, I mean, look at this seed magazine. This is intense. I order this every single year. I think it's like $10, and it's the greatest. So let's just get started. I just dog-eared everything, so I'm gonna have to find what the heck. All right, I want to try these. I want to try these. It's a flower, and it says that you can do lemonade or tea with them. Oh, that's what it is. I just want to give it a whirl. If anything, the pollinators will come. So we're going with the Asian garden. I'm not usually one to grow a bunch of flowers, which I should, but we'll try. Let's see what else I have picked here. I don't know why. I think I picked these. I think it was these. That's why I dog-eared that. These China Jade cucumbers. I don't think I've tried them before, so we're gonna give them a little whirl. I don't think anything else on this page is. I have a lot of pickles that I have canned over the years, so I don't need any more pickles or cucumbers really. Let's see. Oh, the eggplant. I wanted to try this Casper eggplant because it said that they have kind of a like mild mushroom flavor, and honestly, I've never grown eggplant before. So I wanted to maybe plant one or two of those just to see what they're like. Let's see what else. Oh, fennel. We're gonna try fennel this year. I've not tried it before. So I think maybe we'll do the mammoth. I think maybe that's what we'll go with. Like I said, I'm just gonna order these probably right after I get done making this video. And their seeds are pretty reasonable. I think they're usually like $3 a pack, which is not bad considering it's free shipping and you usually get free packs of seeds. I also wanted to grow these, and I'm not gonna even attempt to pronounce the name. It's a huckleberry, supposedly. They look lovely. It says that they taste nice, so and we can make pies and stuff. I want to give it a whirl. We're gonna give these guys a whirl. I don't even know. Are they bush? Don't know. 3 to 4 foot plant yield clusters. Well, all right. We're gonna give them a whirl. I've also never grown leeks before, so I'm gonna pick a leek from this page and grow it. And also, what's fun about this magazine is it has recipes in it. So if I do grow leeks, I can use this recipe for cheesy baked leeks. And I do believe most, if not all, of the recipes that come in this book are vegetarian and or vegan. I actually think they are vegan. Most recipes are, because this is vegan cream or heavy cream, vegan cheese. So most of the recipes, I think, are all vegan, vegetarian. Let's see. You'll have to bear with me here. There's so much stuff in this magazine, so much stuff. It can really get out of hand if you let it. Like I said, I'm trying really hard this year to not go overboard. This right here, the Gelbert Englisher custard squash right here. I don't think it's going to work well in my climate. I think it says it needs like a moist, cool climate, but you know what? I'm going to give it a whirl because I think it looks cool and I like squash. So we're going with this. And I think there's only a couple more that I have marked that I want to try. And I think it might be a tomato. Yeah, I believe it was this tomato down here called the Comstock sauce and sliced tomato. It's an Italian variety. I think it might be new to this magazine, and I want to give it a try. So I think that's it. I know I'm saying a lot, sorry. But if you have not ever heard of Baker Creek, I highly suggest you give them just a look. They're a local business. They're small. They're good people. And also, look, watermelon sponge pie. I guess maybe I could try to grow a watermelon and make a sponge pie. And this magazine also has flowers. They have so much stuff that you can grow. And it also talks about the history of things. It's really a neat magazine. It really, really is. They also, looks like they have sourdough starter, if you're interested in that. I do know every year they have like a big seed festival. I'm not sure, maybe it's this, April 12th and 13th. It's at their farm in Missouri. I have not ever been, which I really should go because it's not far from where my parents live. But anyway, this is the stuff. That's pretty much it. I know this video is a little off topic of what I normally film, but these are the new things that I decided to grow in the garden this year. Well, we're just gonna give it a whirl. We're gonna order them. We're gonna try to start the seeds, and we'll see how it goes from there. All right, I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.